Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Acon Mission Urinalysis Reagent-Strips. This is basically for creatinine and albumin. It's a 2-parameter strip. You can see this is from Acon Mission Urinalysis Reagent-Strips. It's for 2 parameters, which is creatinine and albumin. This is how the box looks like. See this sides. The other side. This is a CE certified product. You can see that it says Mission Urinalysis Reagent-Strips for rapid analysis of urine specimens. Urinalysis Reagent-Strips package insert. Contents inside. You can see that it says creatinine and albumin, and reference part number is there, and also this box contains 25 strips. I'll just open this box for you. Inside the box, if you look at, there is one package insert, that is an instruction manual. You can see this here. It says Urine Analysis Reagent-Strips package insert. You can see this here. For rapid detection of multiple analytes in human urine for in vitro diagnostic use only. Mission. So if you look at this, has a complete detailed information of how to prepare the samples, how to do the test, and also how do you interpret the results. So you have the complete instructions for conducting this test. Okay, and again there is, and you can see inside the box you have a plastic bottle which has 25 strips. I can just show you the bottle here. You can see that the bottle says Mission Urinalysis Reagent-Strips. The reference part number is here, U031 021 2CE, and it's a 25 in a box. You can see the lot number reference, and the expiry period is standard test 2 years. You can see this is from Acon. So the bottle looks like. This has the urinalysis strips inside. You can see this here. Okay, got it. On a quick summary, if you see, this is from Acon Mission Urinalysis Strips, 2 parameter strips for creatinine and microalbumin and albumin, and this is how the box looks like. In a box of 25 strips, you get one package insert and a plastic box with the strips, 25 pieces inside. Thank you.